Okay, so guys, I think so for the past 3 days in here, my cat gay and lesbian. So for you want some can. Now it seems like say a lot of Ghanaians don't know the danger ahead or the danger coming. So it's likely that Ghana will fail the fight against those whole lesbian and gay issues. It's likely Ghana be failing. There are more reasons why I'm be failing, and as a Ghana be failing. You see. Nkofo no omo tintim ye pa and I wish say na say we urge every Ghanaian say monko mo website na monko mo Twitter handle na monko nkofo nyema nkofo ne because these are guys who are seeking for fun muntie ne yo time we no ya nkofo na pi no omo the fundraising ababeto ya manfo so ebo omo ama my day ama omanya sika so brankofo ni pesika say no nkofo ni dey adede to ho I think that on the 11th right of February no me to so mo per fan aye dey they fight against omo person omo ye gay ayem pene so omo be ye gay ni lesbian sa ne manam ni nyina no omo pesika akon atia Ghana fo ayem pesa anema no e wo man ni no omo pesika on the 11th na mo ko he nkofo no yete wan ehun say UK fo aba so mo ba be support mo this time around US for say mo visa otikuru mu ha na say you are feeling threatened na o ma free visa na wa bom ho amanfo so boa na eboa sankofo no so nkofo na start say no mo nyantintim ye no this is the best time for Ghana government to step in and shut the office down now your man nkofo na be website omu kura Twitter handle omu promote aduma no omu ye fundraising ye mo fundraising no so omu nya sika omu nya support now still the government of Ghana is quiet over this and you come and tell me say Nanado is not aware of this bullshit nkofo no mu fa wiem na ba Ghana omu tusa no ma na ba enya visa no mo je who gave them the visa the Europeans who came to this country who gave them the visa now this is a man for channel of Madia Kusisi say, a brofun kwa anasa a brofun mum ne deba. A young cophobia natina Ghana hanum. And so Modomu person we gay in lesbianism. And on my set office, Abia website, Abia Twitter account, Aya video, Oko on my website to a Oko video be the or my director and the debato. Was see, young boy, any sika. What you say? No more no more fa who dey said about omo be gay ne lesbianism omo mbo omo enti nya brofo no krapo na dey bawo yenkofo na atena hanom asosaje ye sankwase asem we nyina no manya support from outside aba and Nanado is quiet over this is emergency. This has got nothing to do with it. I was saying my country will say the MPP is fully aware. It's a COVID-19 fund. I'm telling you this. Say, with your politics, Nanado open. Who told you? Nanado will fail the fight. Look, by the time Nanado come out and tell you Ghanaians to say, I don't support this thing, no, it will be too late. Now the guys have a website. They have videos out there. They are soliciting for fans. A man for more musica or many support from outside. They are really helping them. And I say again, it's a lesbian issues. You know, a man for doing. I say a grobi no moody. Nkofone jijisika. Yeah, bo monso. A man for more musica. So a man for lesbian ni gay no. Yeah, ekoso. Yantian you videos of nightclubs as I gain lesbians in Ababa. So guys, it is clear. Nanado, Ghanaians, we will all feel the fight against this gay and lesbian. And these are people that omu piba omunya support omu beba benye sika nkofo we sika no omunya no the government cannot fight them. It will come to a time government cannot even fight them because omunya support from the outside, which these are nkofo almost start ewa Ghana hakitu ebi a website almost solicited for fans and yet now hwe omo na nkofo na ababenya support EU ababa bo omo sisi a US nso so bo omo ntunkuro bebre do omo baba beje enti beduru baabi no government cannot even fight them. You get a point? Even government cannot fight these guys. So Ghana will fail against the fight against this gay and lesbianism and blah blah blah. If the any government tell you say it is against our constitution and blah blah blah, they are all liars. Me see they are behind it. Omo na just gay and lesbian too. Omo nim hubi. Omo nim hubi. Abrofo na ebe supporting Kofo we no. The government is fully aware. The government is fully aware. Yeah, where your norms, yeah, where your culture. So you don't tell us where your freedom. Freedom of what? Abrofuno mutu omukuru ade ntuna omonje aware mienu ne miensa ntu. Ade no omonware mienu ne miensa ho. UK for na de ntuna omonware. Yeah, where your culture, yeah, where your norms. And the Ghana media is quiet about this. The Ghana media is quiet about this. You don't see the Ghana media talking about this. You don't see them condemning this. Nkade we si John Dramani Mahama Breswa. Ka obehu. Kasembre kasa de we. Wow, eduru ba bia ho. Ana me di san Kofo we ataba na bi se wo mendu. Look, ana eja. This so-called journalists in this country full of hypocrites. Kade we si Mahama Breswa. Ka me don come na Mahama. Missing Kabu de commodity by Mahama, they will see Mahama Penswa. I dear when they say a year two, or man automatically a year two. I'm telling you the dangers. Missing, go to their website and go and check. Go to their Twitter handle and go and check. Kwana kwa hadi yanko fono. Akira to na ko ti o mo director na num nsem. Ento bi ka tira say obi dress to so ba ne bona. Omoboa. They are trying to promote this lesbian. Munko tie director na num nsem ye. Munko na munko tie nsem a director neka. Ko fo bi PayPal account nyina o mo di sika. Yet you have group ni start wa Ghana how. And we fail to stop them. We say now abrofo no mom na de ba. Abrofo no mom be support ye. Eye ya yen kofo na atena kurom ha. A starting movement no. Aye fundraising channel. Ya afi abrofo ne boa. Ama abrofo na firo mu kurom nyina ba ha. Ye abrofo ama ma ba e ba be support. Ni nyina the president is quiet and you are telling me say, "Hey, okay. So we are waiting to see whatever will happen. This thing is really getting out of hands, and I think this is the time Ghanaians need to step out there. Fact that useless laws now more Ghana. So I Jimmy law no man say some Kofo was so much more poor more kwasia for what trawa me say ade we ebekọ nanim ebeduru baby we can solve it. You can't solve this. Ebeduru baby eba be jinsemu ade no even at this point. Even at this point, it will be very difficult for government to even fight. It will be very difficult for government to even fight these people at this time. But Ghana has to give a try. Nkofo na nya support papa. O manya mama support. And Nana do already no kra onya hwe dada. Enti say US for be twom ho, European Union obi e ba be twen ho afiri Ghana ho a. So mom why you my hen abeko. Now. So the government will look at the risk and say, well, shut down this officer implications that never brought minor. And at a point in time, Ghana will be like say, we are forced or we will be forced to, accept, because once we withdraw from it, ama maya ababe supporting Kofo ni nyina no ababe twom ho agya nti ababe duru baabi ni yentimi ntwe ho biem. So at the early stage now that was here to my stance, yes, your stance is say, you know, Sankofo ye here. To say the John Dramani Mahama ye to say His Excellency, my friend is saying, Atamil say, this same thing that we are expecting Nanado to do. Nanado went to Al Jazeera and went and said, say, it's bound to happen. Ye here strong group. I just a group will be back out strongly. And Sanagana, Ebejetum, and now we have the group who has come out. Nanado didn't say, Africa yempira na say Ghana yempino. Or say it will take a strong group to come out for Ghana to accept. My example be say back in the UK, someone no go school UK no. Now they will be no. But when people started advocating UK for a day, I just to. This is not politics. The Democrats say reason. Sometimes put your political affiliation aside and reason as Ghanaians. Put your political affiliation aside and sometimes reason as human beings. Mubiat na ma politics adidi mutrima mana dane mujimi dane mo yare ebidie na These guys are now in the country. So whoever thinks you can fight these guys easily, the chief imam cannot do anything now. I'm telling you. It would take strong and what's a Ghana for you naka boom beam. Saturday we yamping. Even me see, even the government fighting these guys at this point in time. I do adding. And call for no quatiri. And call for no quatiri. Time I did we start here near yeka. Munko baby and call for no drew. Munko baby or madru. Ukwakania their politics. Ukwakania their politics. Nanado, the man name. I think okay, as time goes on, I think the Ghana for Ankasa be huni. I think the Yamen and Meba say no, the Ghana for Ankasa do one be huni. The man is evil. Over can be done in some political. The man is evil. Nkofu we start here day we and nothing. Atamils, Prime Minister of UK Kasaye, the following day, and Atamils a man replied, go to Al Jazeera. Nya Jazeera mpo. Nya Jazeera mpo BBC, right? It's BBC. Da Prime Minister ne Kasaye the following day and Atamils reply no. Once so adie we aba up and na say ni Nanado is quiet. Nanado akasa. The man is still quiet. Silence means what? Consent. So automatically Nanado ajetu. Adie we ba me say, "Bo se Nanado be diante beba be duru baabi no." Or beba be pretend it is up so solve no. By then no one can say nim say ade baabi aduru no. Ontimi solve. Take it or leave it. It's a fact. And directly to the extent say stopping them will be difficult at this time. I woman. Misu go to their website, go to their Twitter, go and check it very well. And Kofona are getting support. They are getting massive support. No guys, I think some don't be here. My message is very clear. Me and can I say Kramenye ready to crampo say my baba life. Now Kofo went to crampo na me baba life. For the past you the most me bad life and Kofo went to. Because more arrangement be be a mayor. This time around me focus on website and be a mayor. Or Juma be a mayor no background. Because I'm working on the studio and it never be brilliant. My busy. Be now from Crampo Munyame. Charlie easy. Or Juma be a mayor. This time I busy. Bankofu we there. I think the Ghanaians should wake up. Wake up, Ghana. Wake up. Then Kofo we me say ye timi no mo say eduru ba bia Ghana fo timi no mo say sa mo mra ne say and we are religious blah 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 me say bullshit e beduru ba bi mu timi nyan Kofo ni foko. Even at this point in time to fight against these guys, even at this starting time me say Ghana bebre Ghana will find it difficult to fight against these guys. Say ye kasa ye kwati om and nen kwampo bebre. Cathedral now moves anyway. Hypocrites. Banker Williams is quiet. Hypocrite. Mensa Otabel, you are all quiet. The Muslim community is quiet. Hypocrite. But this time, wasn't any official letters. Be free. Chief Imam office in the Muslim community about bunting. Who called you? Your friend is Ireme. Elections now conducted. Even Chief Imam, you see news baby. Akokrano want it. Akokrano news baby. Just an uncall for a catch no. So sometimes people blame Chief Imam. What I did walk on power no grandpa on tea. This is the time we are expecting to see letters from the Chief Imam office. We are expecting to see letters from the Christian Council, blah blah blah. This time around, Obia Edin, Nana do not want tea. In Kaya Mahama Messidian and Combe. Missy, in Kaya Mahama Tamaden and Combe. Hypocrites. This is the time we are expecting you guys to stand up and fight against this thing. So you keep on getting messages, Chief Imam yeden, Chief Imam yeden, we yeden. Me say, enyama bebre wa Chief Imam. E wasn't in call for the educating or more ben no. You get Ireme announcements and one akwa friend is saying elections now conducting. This is the thing we are expecting you to tell the Chief Imam. Let the Chief Imam be aware what is happening in the country. why didn't say do elections? They are no what's what I would say, you know, I'm also conducting elections. I conduct and no more dear for if I could see him. Hypocrites. I did not quite cheating. This time, you know, I do my I think so for the past 3 days now. My casa, I could for we ask a matter. What this, what your friend is saying, gay, lesbian, my call, master, my Uncle we hugging. Baby, I drew me say bad you. Even and then to fight against these guys to be difficult. No, my catcher say, look, Mama led by example, Atames led by example. Atames when the Prime Minister came out, me see Prime Minister Nikasai, the following day came and Atames Ababo and Tenso Bakasai. The following day and Atames Bakasai. So look, we Africans, we have our culture. What you say? And you know the Prime Minister of the what do you call it? The Prime Minister of England or when a right is or person, but he cannot impose whatever he think is right on us because we Africans we have our norms and culture. What you say? And this is the time we are expecting the leaders to say speak it out. This is the time we are expecting them. Sometimes some of you let the leaders look. I say leaders in Ibu how look say Yankopon. I say you can't even speak about them. Sometimes we make the leaders look as if you cannot. Asante, what is he doing? Prophet Dr. Tanabila was a then away. Togbe, then away. Professor Dr. Nabila, a learned man like you. Former National House of Chiefs, are you president? What are you all doing? Look, Otunfo is quiet. The chief imam office is quiet. We need you guys to speak out. So you guys think that you can fight against these guys? Can you? These guys, when they take a stand, no country can fight against them. No country can fight against them. You can never fight them. And this is the time Ankofo support baby if you are man for Hoba. Ghana is still keeping quiet. We think that all is all right. Under the tyrant Akufo-Addo, everything is okay. So once Akufo-Addo is in power, Mo Bianca say you Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo adani nyame yehwe. Put politics aside and reason. Move for politics on Twitter. Na mo reason kakra. So this thing requires the president to speak. This is the time we need a president because you hear executive order to shut down these things. Because there is only one way in law we can shut these guys down. It's only by executive order. We need the first gentleman of the land to put a stop to this. If not that, it must be resolved violently. It is true. Either the president will solve it peacefully or it will come out violently. And once the president is not speaking, we are expecting the society, these so-called leaders are more that the institutions are not our chiefs, our pastors, our imams, blah, blah, blah. This is the time we need all of them to speak out. This is the time we need them to speak out. Everybody is quiet. They think it's all right. Ghana can never Ghana can never fight against these guys easily. Bet it. At this point in time, a bad Ghana bit more easily. It need the effort of every Ghanaian. I was over 30 million in a come who boom. A castle no, young Pinadi. Now, Kobaya and on Facebook, Debbie, I casa want to say it, Charlie, won't forget it. Go for no much in Timmy. You go for the mamma just 3 days to pay. What am I 3 days to pay back on? Who baby I deal with you. No, I'm just 3 days to pay. Mama 3 days since I'm a so. Who baby Uncle from Budu. In Conforno, I have videos at 12 bunting. Jessica. Sika no mo jere no money. Omo dis can promote. Don't you get it? In Conforno, you fundraising. I'm at TV3 phone from Momo Chiro Margin. Otu ano bia be dada say. Yes, o mo dress it say manti. Yes, o bi dress so ba na Ghana fo abono. Eno no mo kutia na enye lesbianism ne. Why dey catch you? Go and watch the director video very well. Go and watch the director video. Mon kwana mon kwawe. Omo to constitution say the 1992 constitution give every Ghanaian the right to blah 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 nyina. So omo right so omo so yado omo so pe. Go and watch their videos. The guys are out there soliciting for fans. Sika na omo jeje no omo di promote. What you say? Sisi na nkata omo start here na ye ka say adewe ebeyehu adewe ebeyehu na Ghana fa ka omo no atu adewe ebeyehu na Ghana fa ka omo no atu na de ka chem say duru ba bia muntumi so ano adere na esi aduru no me say at this point in time and na me mo ka say Ghana for so red ne so be ko ati adewe kurampo na Ghana be bre ansa na wetima ko ati adewe and the mother serpent of corruption Akufo-Addo will not muntie at the risk baba madi kan tell musa adewe it will come with risk and which the government will not take because Europe fuaba anya England na ba yo EU at ayi time na only England she said the Europe fu nyina ba say omo support it and now Ghana focus say yem penia it will get to a time ba beduru Ghana focus say yem penia European Union all the countries under Europe will say yam boamo samu hiamoa muntie niye omubeka say yam boamo samu hiamoa and the president will not take that risk and one country the entire Europe because Ghana tam and kromaka say mumbum no mambum Akufo-Addo papa no fought against this unity or what are the United Nations of Africa blah 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 kopim so muku nkroma so Africa na yende ho so the Europeans will not tell us what to do. If you would agree, we will not help you. So the president will not take that risk. Already in the time I man the freedom no Ntanado will not take that risk. So market where water will not touch say these guys are famine and Ghanaians cannot fight against them. And then you can take it as political. It is up to you. Take it the way you want to take it. But market where water will not touch. I keep on telling you. Menya prophet. Menya malam. Menya she. Me, I'm a student of reasoning. So guys. Okay. Charlie, this time no my busy. I'm off to be bringing pay me number. 024. Okay, my mama number is 05551. Okay, my number is 0551948 Mr. Wa ubetimi a ka WhatsApp me. Wa wo hia me no. Calling me will be difficult because friend is likely say we nyame. Because my number we know off. But we have a WhatsApp line, the WhatsApp line here. And WhatsApp me. So we hear me. Just go straight to the point. Mr. Ramwa, hi, hello. No, because Charlie, we do not be brave. If you send me hi, I number reply hello, nan come what you say. But if you go straight to the point, inshallah, make my reply. I'm heading come off of. So guys, I had a bit more busy. Nabe Aduma, you better share Biblia bar.